If I were to sum up hedgehogs in one word, I would use lovely.
Spikes.
I think cute.
Endangered.
In one word, I think I would say vulnerable.
The thing I really love about hedgehogs is that they are such an iconic species. They are sort of unique in the way they behave and also the way that they look. So they are really something that strikes a chord with us.
But they're an extremely good example of how you could introduce kids with the wildlife.
Personally, they're a massive part of my childhood.
So what got me involved in the campaign was just the fact that I really wanted to learn more about hedgehog, about their biology and ecology, and I also wanted to get some practical experience in serving hedgehogs.
We've distributed strimmer stickers throughout our landscaping team.
All our team are trained to carry out a visual inspection prior to working in long grass or wildlife habitats.
So we've been working on making university grounds more wild and less managed. We've also introduced water ramps for hedgehogs to exit all the waterways that we have on campus and make it safer for them. And we've also worked with the landscape team as well, who've been really great in making some hedgehog houses for us.
We've got regular litter picks going on all over campus. They're taking place on sort of the green spaces around campus, but also parks that are managed by the council so that we can sort of help benefit the wider city as well.
I became the Celebrity Patron of the Hedgehog Friendly Campus of University of Sheffield by judging the hedgehog baking competition. And this is just an amazing way to get everybody in the family and friends involved and raising awareness about hedgehog.
So students have played a really crucial role in our team, which is great. We've got a really good balance with staff and students. The main thing that students have been getting involved with has been our surveying activity.
Hedgehog footprint actually looks a bit like a child's handprint.
We also had our student team playing a really key role in our Hedgehog Awareness Week activities. So they helped us with running our site and reaching out to schools and things like that. So students have played a really great role and they've been coming up with lots of creative ideas.
Hedgehogs need our help because they're vulnerable to extinction. So this is a really big warning sign that we all need to do more to protect them.
It would be so unnatural to lose them, if that makes sense.
By focusing on hedgehogs and doing what we can to help hedgehogs, then we can hopefully improve our wider relationship with nature.